Bonsoir à vous et bienvenue dans ce nouvel épisode de French avec Touhin. Aujourd'hui, on va parler de les vocabulaires de Noël. So guys, today we are going to speak about the important vocabularies, 15 important vocabularies regarding Christmas. So first of all, Merry Christmas to all of you. I hope you had a really nice Christmas with your friends, with your family, and you enjoyed it very much. So guys, the first word for Christmas is Noël. Noël, which means Christmas. To say Merry Christmas to someone, you have to say Joyeux Noël. Joyeux Noël. Now, the Christmas tree. Le sapin de Noël. Le sapin de Noël. The Christmas tree is very, very important aspects in this festival. And it's very beautiful to see. Le sapin de Noël est très beau. The Christmas tree is very beautiful. The next one is the church. The church is in French, you have to say l'église. L'église. The church. The church. And the next one, le Père de Noël. The Santa Claus. Le Père de Noël. Le Père de Noël. The Santa Claus. The next one, the presents. The Christmas presents or gifts. Les cadeaux. Les cadeaux de Noël. Les cadeaux de Noël. The Christmas presents. Le Père de Noël apporte beaucoup de cadeaux. The Santa Claus brings lots of gifts. The next one is le marché de Noël. The Christmas market. The Christmas market is always found to be a really attractive place, and in which this is a market where you will find traditional things regarding Christmas, and it is built of small tiny wooden houses. It's always busy during the entire month of December, and you can find it very attractive. It's always sparky at night and it's really beautiful. So le marché de Noël, the Christmas market. Le vin chaud. Le vin chaud, the hot wine. This is also, you are going to get it in the Christmas market. Le vin chaud. And it contains some kind of fruit inside it. So that's why it is really healthy, they say, to drink. So, le vin chaud. Le repas de Noël. The Christmas meal. Le repas de Noël. Le repas de Noël est très délicieux. The Christmas meal is very delicious. And the next one is l'étoile de Noël. L'étoile de Noël. The Christmas star. L'étoile de Noël. Le traîneau du Père Noël. Le traîneau du Père Noël. The Santa sled. Les reines du Père Noël. Les reines du Père Noël. Les reines du Père Noël. The reindeer that pulls the sled of Santa Claus. Les cloches de Noël. The Christmas bells. Les cloches de Noël. Les cloches de Noël. Une chaussette de Noël. Une chaussette de Noël. The Christmas stockings. And most important thing, les décorations de Noël. The Christmas decorations. Les décorations de Noël. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. Please stick to the channel to learn French as fast as possible, and subscribe to this, hit the bell button, and please stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. Till then, au revoir and joyeux Noël.